With all the knowledge gained about prompt engineering, it's now time to go back to some practical implementations. In this module, we will learn how we can use ChatGPT for daily tasks. For this, we'll see how ChatGPT can support us when researching information and whenever we want to summarize or translate information. We'll also use ChatGPT to proofread our texts, so to check it for grammar or spelling mistakes, and we'll learn how we can use ChatGPT to improve or enhance our text. For example, I'm a non-native English speaker, so if I wrote a text, I can use ChatGPT to check whether some parts in my text might have been written differently by a native speaker. And finally, we'll also have a look at how we can create simple utility tools with ChatGPT. Such tools are based on programming languages, we'll use Python in this case, but the good news is that ChatGPT will do all the heavy lifting for us, so absolutely no programming language is required. Again, lots of exciting things to discover, so let's get started.